We'll start this video off by downloading the Windows Media Creation tool. After downloading the tool and installing an updated Windows on the USB drive, we can now back up our files. If the tool fails, please double check all the settings that we set in video 1. Then come back to this video. To back up our files, I use some software called EASEUS. It is free and can be installed from this website, www.easeus.com. This is how you will back up your files. If you do not need this step, you can move on to video 3. On your USB drive, be sure to move over the installation file for EASEUS, so when we reinstall all your files and folders onto your new PC, you'll have the installation file already saved. We need to select the files we want to back up. EASEUS automatically selects everything in your Documents and your Favorites folder. If there is any additional folders that you need to have backed up, be sure to check them. You will need to store these on a suitable drive or on the cloud, something like OneDrive or something like that. If the backup file is very large, go through and uncheck any files you do not need. This is a warning that all files will be erased after this step, so be sure to back up any files you do not wish to lose. After backing up the files, insert the USB drive and restart the PC. This will take us to video 3. If you like this content, please hit that subscribe and like button. Don't forget to ring the bell.